Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily Fashion Fleek. So today we're going to be taking a look at some DIY fashion hacks and reacting to them. So here we have someone styling this really pretty green skirt. Love it with the boots and the sweater. And then we have a hack for some type of scarf. Whoa! Can't believe she used that as a halter top. So cute. So here we have someone playing around with their blouse. Looks like she's buttoning this up backwards. I really love this color. Such a really pretty rose pink tone. And that would be a great hack to just kind of mix up your wardrobe if you want something new without spending money. Just play around with the folding technique and the styling. And then we have another skirt hack. So she's folding this under, tucking it into her strapless bra, and then belting it. Oh, what a cute asymmetrical dress she created with this. So cute. And the pleats really just add something as well. So then we have someone styling a neutral blouse. So she made an asymmetrical top. Oh, I love that. Another asymmetrical top. The creativity behind these designs is just genius. Tucking it into her strapless bra and making kind of like a tube top. Wow, very cute. Outfit ideas that'll make you feel like that girl. Alright, so let's see what you got. Ooh, love the blazer with the boots, newspaper style skirt, chunky heels, neutral tones. That's okay, she had some cute outfits in the mix. Then we have how to look expensive on a lazy day. Throw on some trousers, add some sneakers. Finish with your everyday bag. DIY chain top. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So she has like kind of a chain necklace, I think, that she's using for the straps. Or you can use like an old gold bell. You could do silver too if you wanted to. This is such a cute design. Oh, wow. So cute. I love her long braid as well. Want to give your dress more shape. So she has some hoop earrings for this. Not sure what that other doohickey was. A scrunchie? I think you can use a rubber band because she's just kind of basically tying the earring around. Bodysuit hack you must try. Oh, so she's pretty much turning this into a tank top. Or a crop top, rather. Very cute. It even has like a little bow. And if you're going to tuck it in the back, I say pin it up so that it'll stay. But really cute. Love how she added the blazer over to layer. The 3-layer rule. Think of your top and bottom as the first. The third piece is your cherry on top. This piece takes your outfit to the next level. So true. You can also add like a pretty necklace as the third piece. And I love the fact that she's wearing like this ripped denim. yes, ripped denim is still very much so in. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.